Well, what an amazing first day, an embarkation day we had on the ship. We hung out with, well, I hung out with a few peeps till maybe midnight or so last night, and then I had to head up to bed. Jamie finished it off with even more fun throughout the night. I don't know what all they did, whiskey bar, cigar bar, something like that. Anyways, we're gonna head off to breakfast now, get started on day 2. We have a meet and greet this afternoon with the group, and we need some breakfast to get us going, give us energy to get through this day. We have a big day planned, and I can't wait to explore the ship. And I don't know we don't even know what we're gonna do today. It's just gonna be one of those days. So let's go.
High five!
High five! No high fives until you washy around here. That's the rule. All right, so the starboard side is open for breakfast. That may be because of reduced capacity, or it may be because we're a little bit late in the morning. But we're gonna check out the food here at the buffet. We've known the Ncl buffet to be pretty darn good. Matthew, how you feeling this morning? Good?
Good.
You have a fun day on the embarkation day?
It was alright.
It was all right. All right, well, that's cool. All right, well, Matthew checked out the clubs. He had his own late night partying, but some of us had a little more partying to do. But, you know, that's how we roll. Let's get some food. Let's take a look at it, and we're going to have a great day today. All right, so there's Sharon enjoying a little breakfast. Sharon, what do you got going on over there?
I have French toast, bacon, a muffin, watermelon, hash brown, and coffee, which I've been waiting for all morning.
And what's Matthew got?
He has his favorite waffles and bacon.
Waffles and bacon. For the record, there's a lot of bacon here. There's no bacon shortage on the Ncl Breakaway, unlike some other cruise lines. So let's take note of that, guys. Let's take note of that. I'm enjoying a little eggs. I've got a bagel with some salmon, something on it, some ham, some bacon, hash browns, traditional, good, filling breakfast. It's the kind of breakfast that'll soak up all the booze that might still be left in your belly. One of the benefits of getting up late for breakfast is going to the buffet and having breakfast, and then transitioning immediately into lunch in the same seating. Matthew, you just had waffles. Now what do you got over there, buddy?
Pizza.
Pizza? Any chance you want to tell us what do you think of the Ncl pizza? Do you like the Ncl pizza or what?
It's good. It's good pizza. Not the best though. I'd say a solid 7 out of 10, which is what I gave it last time on the Encore.
Wow, there you have it. That's it. Matthew gave it a 7 out of 10. Now that's pretty good in Matthew's book. But now, Sharon, what do we got going on next?
Let me see what time it is. It is. I can hear them in the background saying "washy washy." They're making a song out of it. It's cute. Okay, so it's about noon. We have 2 hours till our meet and greet. So we have 2 hours to, I'm going to say, let's explore the ship for about an hour and a half, head back to the room, get our things for the meet and greet, and head down to the meet and greet.
Washy, good for you, a good for me, a good for you. Washy, good for you, for everybody. All right. Thank you for staying healthy with us, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
He's awesome, isn't he? That dude is awesome. All right, well, Sharon found something that she's been very excited to try here on the Breakaway, and that is the bowling. It's not full-size bowling, but it's still pretty darn cool. So, ladies and gentlemen, I give to you professional/amateur/ not sure if she knows how to bowler, Sharon from Sharonatsea Travel. All right, let's see if Sharon can get the spare here. 1 pin spare. Let's see if she can do it. Oh my God, she got it. She got it. All right, so it's times like these that are kind of humbling, and they make you feel pretty darn good about what you're up to. We're having a meet and greet today. Just all the folks from the group getting together in one space. We'll try to do a group picture together, and that'll be fantastic. And just it gives a chance for everybody to see each other and put a name with faces or whatever the case is. We're going to give away some shirts and stuff, but here's a little look at the layout and the group. Wow, that was an amazing meet and greet, get together. Thanks to everybody who came. Everybody from the group was there. It was awesome. Once again, a little emotional seeing everybody together. Matthew's there. Matthew, what do you think? Is it cool to see all these people coming out to cruise with your folks, with the ship show? All these names you see online, finally putting faces to them. It's pretty awesome, huh? Mm-hmm. Excellent. Great job today.
We are off to dinner. Tonight we're eating in the Haven, and so we're kind of excited about that. I know Matthew wants a steak, so we're hoping he can get a steak in there.
I bet he can. I bet they'll find a nice piece of meat for this growing young man. What a great day we had, huh? Yeah. It's been an amazing day. First sea day here on the Breakaway. Meet and greet was outstanding. Seeing all those people was fantastic. We had a little snack today. Where did we eat a snack at?
We went to Oceans and had a kind of like a late afternoon snack. We didn't have lunch. Over.
Just a little something.
I don't. Now I'm not really that hungry.
You better be hungry.
But
you better be hungry.
I'm gonna eat anyway.
You better be hungry for where we're going to dinner right now. Hold on, let me get us. There we are. It's gonna be a great night. So we're gonna go to the Haven. We're gonna pig out there. Afterwards, we're gonna see a show called Six. We also have a live stream to go as well. So it's gonna be a fantastic evening, and we can't wait to. We can't wait to We can't wait to
You sound like me sometimes.
We can't wait to take you along with us and show you all the fun we're having. Yeah. This group cruise is starting out fantastic.
Yeah, and the show. I'm really excited about the show.
Six. Yes, we'll check that out and see, and we'll report back if the show is as good as the last one that I loved on NCL, Choir of Man. That's my favorite. So we'll see how good 6 is.
It's got a lot to live up to.
All right, well, we'll let you know that and much, much more. So stay tuned here at Sharonatsea Travel. And if you haven't done it already, once you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss any videos. Like the video, share it with your friends and family if you're down with it. And stay tuned for more fun with us.
Yeah, we'll see you at dinner. We're at the captain's little cocktail party here in the Haven, and they had some cocktails, and they asked me what I wanted. So they have one of their specials is called a pineapple surprise, and so that's what I got, and so I'm going to be surprised. Let me go ahead and give it a try. That is good. It's very pineapple-y with a kick. Definitely a kick. They said it had rum and I think tequila in it too. So, but it's pretty, isn't it? And look what Jamie got. Now, that looks pretty cool, right? It's berry bourbon.
Don't be trying to sneak a taste of my drink there, Sharon. I'm watching you.
Bourbon.
I'm watching you. Blueberry smash. Wow. It's got bourbon, but it's refreshing. It's delicious. This is the way to have an hors d'oeuvre. I'm telling you right now. Look at this. So much good. What was this one?
Prosciutto.
Oh, unbelievable. I have more here.
There's more there.
Look at this. It's on a little spoon.
There you go.
Eat it, and then he takes a spoon.
You got it. Like this.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
The service is outstanding. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Wow. All right, so we just had an amazing time here up in the Haven at the cocktail party. Met the captain, saw Alvin again, the cruise director. That was very cool. The appetizers were unbelievable. Now we're in the Haven restaurant for a great, great dinner. And we'll show you all the great food we have. It's going to be fantastic. I'm not sure what to say after that meal. That was unbelievable. What a meal. Lobster topped deviled eggs. Fantastic. And then Sharon, your Caesar salad was delicious.
It was. Last time I had filet mignon.
Hold on, why are you listening to her and looking at me? Look at her.
Last time we had filet in the Haven. It was delicious as well. It was actually some of the best filet I think I've ever had, as far as it's so tender. It was just really good. Same thing tonight. Matthew had the filet as well.
Matthew, how did you do today? Was your filet fantastic?
In fact, Matthew had 2 fillets, right?
I ordered the surf and turf, but instead of the surf, I had another turf. The turf and turf.
The turf and turf. Is that something new? Did Matthew just create a whole new dining experience? The turf and turf. Try it at home. It's fantastic, but unbelievable. And I had a tiger shrimp Louis, which was delicious, and the veal scallopini. Oh my gosh! So we're lucky, and it's not lost on us that we've been able to have a few meals there. We might have a few more to go here for the rest of the week, and thanks to everyone at NCL for that opportunity. And now it's time for a live stream. It's Monday night. Monday nights when we do our live stream, we got to go find a spot to go live and say hi to all the peeps out there. And then afterwards, we're going to a show. We're going to see 6. So we still have a big night ahead of us. Sharon, are you ready for it?
I'm ready. I am. I'm going to make it to after the show. That's probably as far as I'm going to make it tonight. But I am ready.
Well, when you're vlogging trips and experiences, sometimes things just don't go the way that you planned them. Last thing we told you was we were going in to see the show 6, and that we'd show you a little bit of the show and get back to you afterwards and let you know how it was. Well, it didn't really play out that way. I can tell you that NCL, based on the type of show this was and kind of a Broadway show that's come to the sea,
they forbid any kind of filming.
Foreboding. We were foreboding.
In fact, we didn't realize that at first, but we had our phones out and we were going to take a couple little video clips and pictures, and like literally as soon as we brought them out, someone came right up to us.
A little tap on the shoulder.
No filming.
Now we're not those that will just show the whole thing, because we're not down with that, and we don't want to spoil it or ruin it for anybody, but we love to show a little clip here and there, and we've done that with other shows. But this time, with regards to 6 on Ncl Breakaway or any other Ncl cruise ship that has it, you're gonna have to go see it yourself. And Sharon, what'd you think of that show?
But you know what? It was amazing. So we always rave about the Choir of Man on NCL. In the past we have. This is probably pretty much up there with that as far as the talent goes.
Totally.
It was amazing. There were 6 ladies that they have voices. Let me just tell you, they have voices.
So that was cool. And then afterwards, we headed over to O'Shea's. We met up with a few other folks, hung out a little bit. One of us might have stayed out a little longer than the other. But it's morning now, or kind of morning, late morning. We're getting our next day started. We got a big sea day ahead of us. We have a huge event today called the Rooster Relay Race. It's kind of like a bar crawl combined with chickens, and that's really all I can tell you for right now until you watch the whole thing, and maybe it'll make more sense. But we're going to do that. We have a fun day at sea planned. We have a scavenger hunt later on this evening.
And there was something else. Oh, we're supposed to eat at Ocean Blue tonight. So that will be good.
Super excited about that. Fantastic specialty dining here on the Breakaway. All right, so that's kind of an end. It's an ending. It's a beginning. I don't know what it is. But we just want to come on and tell you that's what happened with wrapping up the vlog.
But
and for right now, we're going to go
time for breakfast.
We're going to grab some grub, and we'll leave you be. We'll wrap up this video here. Thanks for joining us, and make sure you tune into the next one. You don't want to miss the big Rooster Relay. The day at sea we're going to have is going to be fantastic. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button before you get out of here. And until next time,
we'll see you later. Happy cruising.
Happy cruising. Safe travels. Peace out.